Today, our home baker will turn Oreos, a beloved snack, into a bundt cake. He will use black cocoa to make that signature dark Oreo color. He will brush the bundt pan with butter and black cocoa powder so it doesn't stick to the pan. It was smart to go with the black cake. Nobody will know if he burned it. He will pop it in the oven at 325 degrees for 50 minutes. Once it is baked, he will let it cool for about 15 minutes before inverting it onto a wire rack to come to room temperature. He will then transfer it to the fridge to chill. He will first crush Oreos in the food processor to be mixed in with the cream cheese frosting. He chose dark chocolate Oreos because restraint isn't in his vocabulary. The home baker will now make the Oreo cream cheese. Now it is time to slice the cake in half. He will remove the top half using a pizza peel. You could have just used your massive hands. The home baker will carve a moat into each side. Watching you use a spoon to carve it reminds me of that one prison escape movie. He will refrigerate the excess cake to be thrown away at a later date. Let's face it, you're never going to make those cake pops. He will pipe the Oreo cream cheese into the cavity. Using physics, huh? So you were paying attention in science class. Mr. Fisher would be proud. He will melt white chocolate to pipe onto the cake. He will glue the Oreos around the cake using white chocolate. Mega stuffed Oreos. Remember what I said about restraint? Let's talk about those white chocolate lines. It looks like you handed the piping bag to a toddler. It's less Oreo cake and more goth cake for preschoolers. Tell me, when they serve it, will they be playing new metal on the xylophone? That white chocolate ganache might just save this cake. Are you trying to hypnotize us to like and subscribe for more content? Now that's an Oreo cake. Save me a slice. We hope you enjoyed this video.